Oh no, okay. I think it went into my nose.
Scared to move anymore.
This is our final day at the Tiki Estate. This is our breakfast.
Careful, there's spikes there.
So we're going through this really cool bridge right now, one person at a time. How was that?
It was scary.
Yeah? Alright, let's get going.
This.
Oh no, okay. Can we taper that up?
Yeah, we can.
Okay, when we get up.
Here you go, Eddie.
Come spray me. Woo. Woo. Oh. Woo. I think it went into my nose. Woo. Bridge like the first stop, kind of. This way to the Pinnacles hut. I'm looking at the map and we're really slow for some reason. Look at that view. Not the one in the back, the one in the front. Oh, just kidding, the one in the back.
Good.
So at the Pinnacles hut.
Very cold. But I feel accomplished.
Freezing cold. I'm too scared to move anymore. I'm just staying on this spot and stay here until the sunrise.
And when the light comes out, we're gonna be more freaked out because of how high everything is. Because we can't really see. So what happened is it's been pouring rain and we had to climb down from the peak. The peak is literally right next to us, about like 5 meters away.
Very cold. Oh my god.
Flying the fog coming drone right now.
School kids crossing a one-person bridge, so they're coming this way to our side. We need to cross over. So our option is either way or cross the river.
So we're near the end of the hike. We both have soaking wet shoes because we had to wait for the school group. We made it. This is the last, the end. Oh, yeah. So we're gonna clean our shoes again. Woo. That was the Pinnacles.
Day 1
hike complete. Woo.